Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. So I started with this wedding series again, which is so popular on this channel, and this week I'm going to upload a lot of wedding series. So today's topic is all about shopping during this COVID situation for wedding and all. So let's get started. Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you came? So one thing is confirmed that the weddings now will, the whole concept will change, because you cannot call so many people around, and like large gatherings are not allowed, and it's not even convenient to do it. It's very risky. We have seen situation before this, and I think yes, it's good time that jitna choti gathering ho, jitni simple wedding ho, that's nice. We can save a lot of money, but at the same time I would also suggest few shopping tips. So 5 to 6 shopping tips. Number one is, as much as you can do online shopping, go for that, because every time trends change, and this used to be, पहले भी मैं यही बोलती थी कि ट्रेंड बहुत जल्दी चेंज होता है. So better we invest in few basic pieces and not in lots of things around, and we buy later as time passes. Second thing, gold is very expensive during this time, so you can like your parents are obviously with you throughout, like after this also. So why to invest now only in something which is expensive and which is now not a very urgent thing? So better you can buy it later. Better, more occasions will come, and now artificial jewelry is so much in trend, and so much like it looks so similar to gold, so you can buy, style yourself now with more of artificial jewelry. Third thing is, when it comes to shopping, mostly we look for blouses, and then we look for basic ethnic wears. So first, the thumb rule should be mix and match. As much as you can do mix and match, that will give you a lot of variety. Like have few basic pieces of your blouses, so that you can mix and match with other saris. And more convenient it is to wear a net, not those heavy saris, because those trends will go, those Swarovskis will get dark, and it's waste of money. Better go for print on prints, satin saris, because their satin is very much in trend these days. Chiffon, organza, okay, organza saris or organza suit, or dupattas, they are very much in trend, so you can go for that. When it comes to ethnic wear, also invest, I would suggest you not to invest only in suits, but in dupattas. You can mix and match dupattas with different pair of like set, kurta set and all. And sale is going on online so much that you can buy a basic and then just mix and match it. I would prefer, if you go for W or Biba, or else Sangria, for that case, these are good brands and you can go for that. They have sale offers also. In-house brands, to be very frank, मेरे को कोई collaboration नहीं मिली हुई, but at the same time I think मैंने और collaboration जो बड़े बड़े influencers करते हैं, I have seen that, but they're very expensive. They're really very expensive. In-house, inbuilt Indian brands, sometimes they become so expensive जब Instagram पे होता है. And apart from your ethnic wear or your clothes shopping, you can also invest more of makeup shopping, as in palettes, where you have basic things together, like your few eyeshadow shades. Mostly after marriage, you are much more into red lipsticks or nudes, or else you are more into golden highlighter and that phase in the start. So better go for basic. You won't even have so much of time. एक ही palette हो, दो palette हो, that's it, you're sorted. इतना ज़्यादा makeup की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Foundations also, one basic foundation which you were using. Okay, in the start there won't be so much of outside eating or going out meeting lot of relatives, इतना तो कुछ होगा नहीं. So better go stick with the basics so that you can save money and later you can shop. As time passes you can shop for yourself. That will be very convenient for the family as well as you. Okay, so this is one thing you need to keep in mind. Also when it comes to shopping, be wise. Like टेलर से भी अगर आप करवा रहे हो, योर टेलर शुड बी वाइज इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड. नहीं तो बार बार जैसे पहले हम जाते आते रहते थे वैसे हो नहीं सकता. एंड मोस्टली आई वुड प्रेफर कि इस टाइम पर हम जितना भी ऑनलाइन कर लें बेसिक मिक्स एंड मैच को ध्यान में रख के, तो दैट वुड बी कन्वीनियंट. कि अगर आपने थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट ज़्यादा भी किया है एक कुर्ती पर, बट यू कैन वेयर इट इन डिफरेंट वेज, एज अ ड्रेस, एज अ कुर्ती, और अगर सेट कुर्ता सेट पे, तो यू कैन वेयर इट इन different ways, right? And when it comes to bridal wear should not be the way it was seen before. See, COVID have created so much different perceptions and it have really made us think very wisely. So why not in this case also? Now we all know कि हमारा bridal wear सिर्फ एक ही बार पहना जाता है, हम में से कोई उसे रिपीट नहीं करता. देन वाई टू इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग विच वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेयर. नाउ इवन द गैदरिंग विल बी वेरी स्मॉल. सो बी practical in this situation, like in this thing also, that I used to first also say this: go for Indian colors which are mix and match, blend together very nicely, like green and red, blue and red going together, gold and red, like your choli should be in different color as compared to the ghagra, so that you can wear it differently also, like not पुटिंग थिंग्स टुगेदर, बट आप अलग अलग वे में भी उसे पहन सकते हो. एंड या वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट मोर इन आर मास, दैट्स समथिंग विच इज़ नीडेड. लिपस्टिक्स आर नॉट सो मच इन यूज, सो डोंट इन्वेस्ट सो मच इन योर लिपस्टिक्स. Basic 2 or 3 lipsticks are more than enough. Invest more into those masks which you wear, because that is what you're going to wear daily. And winters are about to come, so in case if you're staying in north area, so suit में भी आप silk, ऐसे कॉटन मटेरियल ज़्यादा मत देखना, बट विच मटेरियल कैन स्टे एंड सस्टेन ड्यूरिंग द विंटर टाइम. क्योंकि तब जब अनलॉक पूरी तरह से हो जाएगी कंट्री एंड बहुत सारी जगह आप जाते रहोगे, मूवमेंट ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, तब सर्दियाँ आ जाएंगी. और आप उस हिसाब से इन्वेस्टमेंट करना, ना कि अभी प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज अब नहीं है उतना. ठीक है. एंड दैट्स इट. आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वेडिंग सीरीज बेसिक से, फिर वील मूव ऑन टू मोर टॉपिक्स. राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन which topic you want me to talk about, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. What you have to do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Also please follow me on Instagram and keep in touch. Bye.